everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my first fall recipe. We always know it's fall time when Starbucks brings back all the pumpkin spice stuff, so I thought I would make a healthy pumpkin recipe to start off September with a little bit of fall. This granola tastes so good. It's really the perfect healthy granola recipe. You can have it with dairy-free yogurt, chia pudding. I even sometimes just have it with milk, and it's so delicious and the perfect texture. We got yummy clusters, nuts, oh, so good. So let's go ahead and get into it. So to make this delicious, healthy granola, I'm starting off with some pureed pumpkin. Make sure to get just plain pumpkin and not the pumpkin pie filling. We're adding in some coconut oil for healthy fats and then some maple syrup for sweetness. And pumpkin is actually so good for you. It's full of fiber, it's full of beta carotene, so it's gonna be super good for the cooler weather. Then I'm adding in some almond butter, which is full of vitamin E, healthy fats, and protein. Plus, it helps to make a really nice coating on the outside of the granola. And then I'm adding in some protein powder. This is optional. I just like to add a little boost to it, but if you don't want to add it, you don't have to. But the key is definitely some good pumpkin spice. If you don't have pumpkin spice, you can definitely just use cinnamon. And then some ground flax, which also boosts the fiber of this granola. And fiber really helps to feed the good gut bacteria and really helps with like bowel health and everything like that. So it's super good to add. Once you mix that all together, we're adding in kind of our nuts and seeds. So I'm doing some buckwheat, some pecans, and some slivered almonds. All of these are really good in terms of the minerals they provide. If there's any of these nuts that you don't like, you can swap them out for a nut that you do like. You could do cashews, walnuts, kind of whatever you like, as long as it amounts to the same amount of nuts and seeds. So then you're gonna take a piece of parchment paper or a silicone mat and you're gonna lay out your granola. Now, the key to making a delicious granola with big clusters is to press it down together so that it's all kind of touching. Do you see how it's kind of all in one layer and touching? This allows it to crisp up together, and then after it's done baking and then cooling, you can break it apart. So you also want to make sure you allow it to cool fully, and then you can enjoy it with chia pudding, yogurt, even just as a snack on its own, or with some delicious almond milk. It's going to be such a good fall staple and has that fall flavor. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave my last healthy recipe here on the screen, and make sure to also leave any fall requests down below for anything you want me to healthify, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!